Hi. For those of you that have been sending me messages asking me what brand of vitamin C serum have I been using or do I recommend, I don't know everything about vitamin C serum, or I don't know everything about all vitamin C serum brand, all the skincare companies that are making vitamin C serum, but I use Advanced Clinical's vitamin C serum, and I've been using this for about 12 weeks because I love vitamin C serum. So for those of you that don't know what vitamin C does to your skin, vitamin C helps with speeding up your cell regeneration process. It helps with brightening up your skin. It helps to promote youthful skin, and it helps to even out your skin tone, if you're suffering from dark spots or hyperpigmentation. For those of you visiting my channel for the first time, my name is CHIKA. I'm a certified esthetician. On my channel, in this channel, we talk about skincare, how to achieve glowing skin, product recommendations, product reviews, and DIY just to keep that skin glowing. So if you like what you're watching, you click the subscribe button and subscribe, and also click the like button and like this video and share as well. Okay, help me share this video to as many people as you can. Thank you so much. And for my regular visitors, thank you for coming back once again. And compliment of the season, okay, so this vitamin C serum I really love, and this is why. I use it only at night, and it makes my skin really bright and hydrated in the morning, and I don't really have that much dark spots, but I noticed that it keeps my skin very firm. Okay, it keeps my skin very firm, and I love the ingredients inside. Okay, some of the ingredients that I love is FERULIC. So FERULIC promotes an even skin tone and gives you youthful looking skin. Okay, it has now let me read the ingredients. Remember when there was one time I did a video and I told you that when you read about skincare ingredients, the position where the ingredient is on the list tells you the strength of the ingredients in the skincare product. So it has good ingredients on the top level, which is good. Now, I mentioned FERULIC. It has aloe leaf, glycolic acid. So glycolic acid is really good for someone suffering from dark spots or hyperpigmentation. It has lactic acid. It has tocopherol, which is like good for fight anti-aging. And it has ASCORBYL, which is the vitamin C. So I love the ingredients, but I love it again because it's paraben-free. Okay, it's paraben-free. I don't really like paraben because paraben kind of clogs your pores. Okay, now this is the brand of vitamin C that I use. If you're asking, you want to know, this is it. Advanced Clinicals. I bought it on Amazon. You can get it online for about 20 euro. I don't know about people that live in the US, but if you live in Europe, you can get it online for about 20 euro. I think you may actually get it on Amazon, maybe about euro, pounds, maybe 18, 17 pounds on Amazon. So you can check it out. But remember, what works for my skin may not work for your own skin. That is how skincare product does. But if it's something that you want to try, if you're suffering from dark spots, if you want to brighten up your skin, or if you just want to keep up that youthful glowing skin, you should try it. I love vitamin C serum. There's no way you can achieve glowing skin without using vitamin C serum, especially for skin of color. Okay, now you can look for it and get it and buy it. Or if you've used it before, leave a comment below and tell me, how was it? Was it good on your skin? Was it not good on your skin? Are you using vitamin C serum? What do you think about it? But I love vitamin C serum. I talk about vitamin C all the time for those of you that are working on achieving glowing skin. Okay, I hope this is helpful. I'm always transparent when it comes to what I use on my skin. I'm always transparent, and this is one of it. Okay, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share it, and also subscribe, become part of this family. Okay, I love you so much, my favorite people, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Mwah.